After our meal, we were invited to have coffee. Since Ethiopia is the birthplace of coffee, it stands to reason that their daily coffee ceremony is an important part of their social life. The ceremony is also performed to welcome guests. First, incense is lit to ward off evil spirits. The beans are thoroughly washed and roasted. They are ground by hand using a mortar and pestle. Water is poured into a traditional clay coffee pot, and the ground coffee is added. The coffee is perfectly brewed and served in small ceramic cups. To prevent coffee grounds from finding their way into the cups of coffee, it's poured at a height of at least 12 inches above the cups. Coffee is usually served along with a big bowl of popcorn. Who needs a coffee bar when you can have a fresh cup brewed to perfection right at home?